She's a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey Libos, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by UNice Hair. Shout out to you, UNice, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. So right here I'm showing you guys the cap construction. This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And it is like a 13 by 1, I think that's what they called it, because you cannot part this wig elsewhere. Where it's part of that is where it's part of that, child, okay? So keep that in mind. This unit is a curly sort of ombre type bob, but if you're interested in any more detailed specs about this particular unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye!
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind it down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so this unit was sent to me by UNice Hair. Shout out to you, UNice, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. So the unit that I am wearing is their 12-inch 13 by 1 highlight bob wig. And I'm going to go on to the site so I can give you more details about it. It says 1 color, 1 stretched length, and 3 ships from. So I'm actually on AliExpress. And it says the color is TL412, 13 by 1 lace wig. Stretched length 12 inches. So stretched out is 12 inches, not curled up, okay? Stretched out is 12 inches. Okay, so on here it says this is a UNice Hair 13 by 1 highlight bob wig, Brazilian curly human hair wig, 150% density, honey blonde baby lights lace apart wig. Okay, so when it says it's a 13 by 1, it's like it has the lace that goes all the way across, but it's literally only this parting area right here. So this is all the parting area that you have on this unit. So I want you guys to keep that in mind. Like, this is, you can't part this wig anywhere else. Now you can shift it to the left or the right. The issue with you shifting it to the left or the right, because I did that, is one side can look longer than the other. So you may have to cut it if that's how you want to keep it. But to me, for the most part, it looks best as a middle part. I know some of us are not middle part girls. I used to be on y'all team. I used to be a side chick too, boo. But here lately, I am wearing more middle parts. Like, I used to say middle parts weren't big forehead friendly. But you know what? These days, I don't really care about my big forehead like I used to. Okay, because I use the Black China effect. You guys know I always say that. So yeah, I want you guys to be mindful of that. That you cannot part this wig anywhere else. You can literally just shift it, okay? Now, as far as shedding and tangling, I have not noticed any shedding, and honestly, it's not a tangly unit. I really low-key kind of expected it to be a little tangly just because of how it looked, you know what I mean? But it's really not. So shout out to them, especially with it having color and it's a curly unit. Shout out to this unit for not being tangly, girl, okay? As far as the hairline with this wig, I do feel like the hairline is pretty dense. It does give you a little bit of wiggle room to tweeze it if you need to, but I just want you guys to kind of see it's pretty dense. Okay, so keep that in mind. But when you're wearing it like I have it, like as this middle part, that's not going to be a big deal. But if you're trying to wear it anywhere, like any other type of style or whatever, you know, or maybe pushing the hair back or whatever, Charlie, it's going to look very, very wiggy. I feel like it doesn't look bad like this, but like I said, if you're trying to do like more of a pushed back effect in the front area, and having like baby hairs and all that, I feel like it's gonna look more wiggy if you do not tweeze it. So that is just my personal opinion when it comes to that. And yeah, as far as the cap construction, because I do think this wig only comes in an average cap size. I don't see on here any options to change the cap size, so I think this is the only cap size it is available in. And I do feel like it is pretty big head friendly in my opinion. I do have the straps adjusted, but I do feel like I could actually adjust them a little more, and it does come with a pre-attached elastic band as well. So this wig can honestly y'all, you can get away with just wearing this wig glueless without having to do any of the extra stuff that, you know, I did. You know, you can actually get away with wearing this unit glueless. Okay, so yeah, that is basically it as far as the details and specs go with this particular unit. If you are interested in the products that I use and what I think about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so honestly, y'all, I am really feeling this wig, but I'm gonna keep it a whole buck with you. When I put old girl on and I had it shifted over to that left side, child, I didn't think it was gonna be anything I could do with it. Like, I hadn't applied any product, and I kind of had a different look in my head, and I was like, what's wrong? Okay, so once I did spray some water on it, and I don't think I actually got the part where I was spraying this on it, which is the Dark and Lovely Super Quench Leave-In Spray Moisture Lock. I ended up using some of this on it and a little bit of my Curl Revival oil, and that was basically it. And now she's drying. One side is dry. This side is basically dry, and this side is still drying. But now it looks like I wanted it to look in my head, because I was like, oh, no, she can't do it. She can't do it. But yeah, it definitely came together. So if you do decide to get this unit, I would recommend doing that. I just feel like it looks better. Or co-washing it as soon as you get it, you know, whatever. I think it would definitely help this unit. So yeah, but I am feeling it. I think she's a look. I think she's a vibe. I think she is all of the things. She's really cute and she's really easy. And you guys know your girl is always looking for something cute and easy. Okay, something that I can just kind of throw on and go. And despite me using my hard head, I really feel like you can get away with just wearing this unit glueless all together. Like, I don't think you have to do it. So that is always a plus as well. And yeah, y'all, I'm feeling it. I think she's a look, she's a vibe, she's all the things. Okay, so yeah, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. So anyways, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. I feel like I should have pulled some more curls apart in the back, but you guys get the picture, honey. Okay, so yeah, I am definitely feeling it. Let me know down below what you guys think about the unit. And if you are interested, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, we are done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Helping Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your